Hello, welcome back to TechGetter Official. As you all know, Minecraft game is one of the most popular game, so today we will see how to use Minecraft with. Create Minecraft server. First, open Google Chrome and search for Eternos. Click on the official website link. Once the site opens, click on the play button. Now, either enter your username and password, or simply sign in with Google. Choose your Gmail account and continue. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of servers. Click on the third server listed, Mr. Devine Y2NX. Here, you can change your username if you want, or just keep it the same. Next, click on the Servers tab, then once again select the third server. After that, go to Options. Scroll down the settings and turn Crack to on. This allows non-premium Minecraft accounts to connect. You can also adjust the difficulty level, the number of player slots, and make sure the time zone is set to Asia/Calcutta. Now click on the Worlds tab, then click on Upload. Upload the world file that you want to use on your server. Once that's done, go back to the Server tab and hit the Start button. You'll see a pop-up asking if you accept the EULA. Click Yes, I accept, then click OK. Make sure to allow any pop-ups or permissions that appear. Now give the server a little time to load, and that's it. Your Minecraft server is live and ready to play. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this helped you, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to TechGetter Official for more simple tech guides just like this.